transfer proof, kiss proof, and waterproof. Matte finish and glossy finish in one. This is the matte finish and this is the glossy finish. This is the 3-in-1 JMCY lip glaze. Look at the packaging, guys. It's giving classy and pretty. This is double end cause it has matte finish on this side and glossy finish on this side. I'm gonna be using NR02. Let's apply it. And in fairness, guys, super lightweight niya. And guys, hindi siya dry sa lips kahit matte finish siya. Nabalitaan ko din mga Ben na ito daw ay transfer proof, kiss proof, and waterproof. Kaya naman itry na natin kung totoo nga. Transfer proof, kiss proof, and waterproof. Ate ko, nakita niyo naman ang dami na niyang pinagdaanan pero nagstay pa din siya. Huy! And mga be, itry na rin natin itong glossy coating ng JMCY. And mga ante, tingin nyo naman, sobrang ganda, diba? And look, diba, hindi siya nagka-transfer kahit may glossy coating na siya. By the way, guys, it comes with 7 shades, 3-in-1 na siya, and budget-friendly, kaya get yours now!